to offer me when I grow old. Hey guys, welcome na naman sa ating episode episode 2 ng ating Shattered Compass kung saan kung wala kang direksyon, wala kang mapupuntahan. So, dito ka pumunta. Pare-pareho tayong maghanap ng direksyon. Okay? So, kakakanta ko. Medyo gloomy weather tayo ngayon. Um, why am I singing Next in Line by After Image? When's Corneo? Um, yeah, Next in Line. Well, we're gonna talk about adulting 101. Okay, so we're gonna talk about adulthood. So remember when you guys were young and thinking about 30 years old and you're thinking, uh, 30 meant like married, kids, settled already with house, stable career, tapos medyo may nararamdaman ka ng sakit-sakit sa likod, pero may isip mo financially secure, di ba? At now, you're almost 30 and nag-google ka, paano nga ba magsaing? How to cook rice? No, actually, Pinoy tayo, no? We don't Google how to cook rice. It's it's in us. Okay? So, welcome to adulthood. The sequel nobody explained. Okay? So, first, around 28, 32 something. So, parang biglang may nag-shift, no? May nagbabago sa atin. You your your brain, like, it tells you, okay, it warns you. I remember nangyari sa akin to, no? But I think it was around 30. It was one of my close friend. Um, it was his birthday, and we went there. He's a year older than me, and he's turning 30. Oh yeah, so I was 29. So, and he was like, oh pare, sabi niya, 30, isipin mo, tanda na natin, sabi niya. And what hit me was, he said, it's like we're not the next generation that they mention anymore. Sabi niya ganun. And I was like, whenever you hear songs like Francis M. Kabataan para sa kinabukasan, it was always like, oh, it's me during that time, no? And now suddenly, oh, no, it's not us anymore. Okay, so now something shifts. You start thinking about savings. Um, nag-start ka na mag-ingat ng sarili. Tapos pag may nararamdaman ka, ngayon kasi, eto guys, don't do this, no? Hindi to maganda. You Google your symptoms. Kasi natatakot ka. Oh, may nararamdaman ako sa dibdib. You Google your symptoms. That's not good. Kasi mas lalo mong tinatakot yung sarili mo. You increase your anxiety. Sometimes anxiety, close symptoms yan from heart attack, no? And then, Google mo, and then you scare yourself more. So, hindi maganda. Okay? So, that's one thing that you will be doing somewhere around those age. And then, kino-compare mo na yung sarili mo. You check your friends out. Tinitignan mo where you're at. So that's what happens around this age, no? Well, maybe you also do it a little bit like later, but 28, 30, between 28 to 32. Kasi I remember when I was around this age, I was already thinking na, oh, I should be somewhere, working somewhere na I probably could see myself growing old. Okay? So, you start thinking about this stuff. Okay? So, when meron biglang isang isang tita mo, hihiritan ka na, oh, when are you settling down? Mga ganon, no? So, yan ang Pinoy version. But, yeah, that's one thing that happens around 28, 32. So, bigyan ko kayo ng tips. Tip number 1 is fix your finances. Even though it's ugly, let's get real. Okay? Around 30, maganda meron ka ng emergency fund. Meron ka na nakasave. Kasi you don't know. You don't know kung ano-ano nang... It's not just about you. Alam mo naman tayong Pinoy, no? Medyo tayo, close family ties. Yan, ano na natin yan, bata pa lang tayo. And, syempre, as you grow old, people around you grows old too. So, it's always good na you have emergency fund. You don't know what's gonna happen, and yeah, that's just, it's always good to be ready. And then one thing is, you need to stop pretending that credit cards are extra income. Okay, that never is. Okay, ini-extend mo yung sweldo mo dahil may credit card ka, but then nilulubog mo yung sarili mo. So you have to stop that. Okay? And then, you need to track na where your money goes. Ayun yung maganda. Actually, pag bata ka pa kasi, bata-bata ka pa, around 25, it's fine. Okay, happy-happy, ganyan. Well, you need to experience that too. And from my experience dito in the US and in Canada, they're already like responsible in money because bata pa lang sila kasi they have to save, you mostly they have to save like college fund for themselves, like sila mismo magbabayad ng tuition fee nila. So yan, sa Canada talagang common yan, no? May mga nagtatrabaho na ng mga around 13, 14, mga nag-aano na part-time, summer job. So ganun, no? It's always good, you need to track where your money goes kasi you're 30 na, no? So yeah, if you're still single, then you really need to do that. And then pag may pamilya ka na, syempre of course, kahit kung kailan ka nag-start magpamilya, dapat nasimulan mo na yan. Okay? And you just trust the process. No one becomes stable accidentally. Hindi porket trinak mo na yung finances mo, uy, okay. Ano na ako, magiging stable na ako, no? So, no. So, eventually, just by doing that, maayos mo yung finances mo. Okay? You start small, track expenses for 30 days, and then build at least 1 month emergency fund. Ganun. Start small. Even if you start with 1 week emergency fund, that's good. And then you build on that. Like, make it 2 weeks. Oh, dadagdagan ko pa to. Ganyan. Hanggang maging pang 2 weeks na siya. 3 weeks, and then you have a month. No? So, just don't touch it. And then, learn one skill that increases income. Like, right now, I'll be honest, I'm doing affiliate marketing. So I just started like 3 weeks ago. I already received my first commission. Okay. So it's not that big yet, but yes. So yeah, learn one skill that could increase your income. No, that's really good. So being adulting isn't glamorous. No, it's about discipline. Okay. And then tip number 2, your body, guys, is no longer in beta mode. Okay? Medyo, ano na yan, slightly used. Huwag na natin sabihin gamit na gamit na. Okay? Slightly used. Okay? You cannot sleep at 3 a.m. every day. Yan. Okay? And then you cannot eat like you're 15, 19 years old. No, don't do that. Okay? And then, yung skip ang mga exercise. Kahit pa paano mag-walking ka, no? Ako pa minsan ganito. So, as I've said, I started affiliate marketing. So, madalas kaupo ko, ganyan, computer. Paminsan, tatayo ko. Bitbit ko yung computer ko and then I do something while like nagmo-march ka, no? Something like that. You move yourself. Okay? And then, mas maganda syempre, kahit papaano, cardio, gumagalaw yung puso mo. That's always good for us. Okay? And then, kasi, enjoy yung mga taba-taba, mahirap na. Okay? Especially yung mga, alam mo naman tayo Pinoy, mahilig tayo sa mga ganyan na pagkain, no? Kailangan mag-ingat-ingat na tayo. But then, mahirap din basta-bastang bitawan. So, gradual until kahit papaano, makaiwas-iwas ka na. Gulay-gulay din, guys. Okay? So, start like 3 workouts a week. Okay? And then drink plenty of water, sleep properly, something like that. So, that's not being old. That's being responsible. Tandaan nyo yan. Hindi porket, tanda ka na. Hindi ganun yun. Okay? Okay. Tip number 3. At 30, you realize no one is coming to save you. No? Not your parents, hindi yung boss mo, hindi yung gobyerno, hindi yung pinsa mo, hindi yung mga kapatid mo, no? It's always on you. So, marirealize niyan na on 30. So, if you want better income, better health, better life, you have to decide and act. Okay? That's adulthood. So, kailangan decide and act. Okay? Stand by your decision and be firm. Okay? Huwag kang gagalaw. Kung saan nang tinayuan mong desisyon, yun yun. Okay? You have to decide and act. Okay? Not just pinag-usapan natin ngayon, you don't, okay. And then, you, hindi mo na pinansin. Okay? And then, so, meron tayong kasi Pinoy tayo eh. Meron tayong, so, merong Filipino pressure, no? And it goes against your timeline. So, culturally, we feel pressure na around this age na, I should be married, like working abroad, or nakabili ka na ng bahay, helping family financially, no? But here's the truth. Hindi mo kailangan sundin yun, no? Hindi, lalo na at this age. Siguro panahon ko medyo ka pa eh. Pero, hindi yan basehan. Okay? Being 30 isn't about meeting expectations. It's about building something sustainable. Kasi hindi ka na bata. Okay? Kailangan, yun nga yung sinasabi ko, like working in a company, you should be seeing yourself na parang pwede ka na rin tumanda doon. I'm not saying don't move anymore, don't go anymore, don't look for something anymore, but you should be seeing yourself na pwede ka nang tumanda doon if wala kang makita or what. Kasi this is where, alam mo yung tinatawag na midlife crisis. The time will come, you will check yourself, no, na ayaw mo yung kung nasan ka. You don't like where you're at. So, that's depressing. Okay? And you need to, medyo mahirap i-overcome yun, but you have to. Okay? Pag-usapan natin yan in a different episode siguro. But, yeah, somewhere around this age, you position yourself already. So you're building something sustainable. It's not about meeting expectations. Hayaan mo yung tita mong nangungulit sa'yo na, oh, dapat katulad ka na nitong pinsan mo nasa abroad. No, hindi ganun yun, okay? So tip number 4, choose long-term over loud. Okay, wala na kayong dapat i-prove. Wala, you don't need to prove anything at 30. Okay? Tandaan niyo yan. Huwag niyo i-pressure yung sarili niyo. You're still 30. Nasa ano lang kayo, hindi pa kayo ganun katanda. Okay? You need stability over status. Huwag niyo na hindi niyo kailangan magyabang. Discipline over hype. So, yun. Quiet progress lang. Huwag nyo na i-announce. Hindi nyo kailangan i-announce yan. So, huwag nyo i-announce yung goals nyo. You start executing. Okay? Sabihin na ganito, ganyan, ganyan. So, yun. Yun gusto ko sabihin. Yun ang gusto kong i-share sa inyo ngayon, guys. So, turning 30. Okay? Well, it's a little bit scary, but don't be. Okay? What's scary is you're staying young mentally while your life moves forward. Okay? You're staying 22 or what? But your life moves forward. That part is scary. Okay? Adulthood isn't about having everything figured out. Tandaan niyo yan. Dahil life will throw you punches. Hindi yan hindi ibig sabihin na figure out mo na lahat. No. Darating may mga pagsubok ang dadaanan, and it will throw you off course. Ikaw ang magbabalik sa sarili mo ng tamang direksyon. Okay? It's about finally taking responsibility for the direction. Okay. So, yun. And, so yun, take responsibility for the direction, guys. Ito na yung gusto mong tahakin. Then go. Okay? So, yun, guys. So, masasabi ko lang, if no one has told you this before, you're not behind. You're just starting to wake up right now. Okay? So, thank you. Thank you for watching. Please like and subscribe.